how did rotation matrices come from? Sorry, where did rotation matrices come from? Consider these axes. Red one is x, blue one is y, and the green one is z. And consider a vector here with some component. If we rotate this plane around x this way, so its y component and z component changed, but we are rotating about x axis, so x does not change. Suppose this vector here, this point is here, so we can replace this point here because x does not change, and then after rotating, and then after we can find the x, y and z component here. Now observe the figure. This one is x, this one is y, and this one is z. Consider a position vector of P with x, y, z original frame. Now we have rotated a frame with angle theta. The new orientation x dash, y dash, and z dash. This one x, y, z, x dash, y dash, z dash. PM, permanent foot, PM. So OM represent y coordinate. This one ON represent z coordinate. X remains same. In new frame, this one OM dash represent y dash component and ON dash represent z dash component. This one angle, we have rotated reference frame around x with angle theta. Geometry, suppose this one is alpha. So P x dash, y dash, z dash. X remains same. What is y dash? Y dash in this frame, x dash or y dash frame, it is r cos alpha. Observe the figure. And what is z dash? It is r sin alpha. This one, r sin alpha. We have rotated around x, so x is equal to x. So P x y z is what? X dash. OM is x component. OM is y component. So r cos alpha plus theta. And ON is z component, so r sin alpha plus theta. So x, y, z, writing in matrices from x dash as it is r cos alpha cos theta minus r sin alpha sin theta, r sin alpha cos theta plus r cos alpha sin theta. Now r cos alpha is x dash, r cos alpha is y dash, so y dash cos theta, and r sin alpha is z dash, so y dash cos theta minus z dash sin theta. Here also z dash cos theta plus y dash sin theta. Representing in matrix multiplication for rotating matrix 1 0 0 0 cos theta minus sin theta 0 sin theta cos theta. Here x dash y dash z dash. We have put 1 here because of we don't want to change x dash this way. Here if we rotate about y axis z to x, then for same analogy, P x dash y dash z dash. What is x dash? X dash is what? In a new frame, this one is x component, so r sin alpha. We have rotated about y, so y remains same. Y dash is y. And what about z dash component? This one is z dash, OM dash. So r cos alpha. Now P x y z. So here also sin alpha plus theta. This one is x component, r sin alpha plus theta, y dash. This one z component, so r cos alpha plus theta, x y z. Expanding this r sin alpha cos theta plus r cos alpha sin theta, y dash y, r cos alpha cos theta minus r sin alpha sin theta. Representing this one. Now this one r sin alpha is x dash and r cos alpha is z dash. So this one x dash cos theta plus z dash sin theta, y dash remains same. Here z dash cos theta minus x dash sin theta. Representing matrix multiplication form, we want y dash does not change, so we have put 1 here. This one. Observe the figure. Observe the matrices. Obtain RZ. Try yourself. RZ is this. Okay.